Hi guys, it's Yolande here. Welcome to the Nail BIZ. In this episode, I want to show you how to look after your micro detailer brush. In between clients or in between working with it, just use a lint-free wipe and wipe your brush like that. Okay, if you want a point on your brush, in that fold, just hold, pull. That will help you to get the bristles together and get a nice point on the brush. Once you see that your product is starting to clog on your brush, take wet wipes and clean your brush with wet wipes. You will also clean it at the end of each day just with wet wipes. If you see a lot of residue in your brush, it's sticking inside the brush, then take Ultimate Finish. This does not have a sticky residue. That's why I prefer to do it with this. Just a little bit on your towel, just like that. And all I'm going to do is run my brush through, remove most of the product, and run my brush through the Ultimate Finish until I see that I'm happy and my brush is nice and clean. Right, last thing, end of the day, wet wipe. Wipe it on your wet wipe. Make sure that it makes a nice point. And this thingy majiggy is put the plastic back on to protect your bristles, that your brush always stays clean and making a point.